Hey there, I'm Joe Crawford of bartlung.com. Pretty much every day I go to CSSBattle.dev, take a look at the daily target, and I record myself solving it. That's what I'm going to do right now. Here we go. Oh, wow. Look at that. How many elements is it? How do we do it? I'm going to go nested template and several gradients. So we start with the dark color on the HTML element. And I'm just going to go ahead and put the beige element on the body element. Now we need to set some margins. 10, 12, 30, 40, 42. Okay, so that narrows it down so that we have the encompassed area. So we have a few choices. I believe what we want is, let's start with a conic gradient that is this particular shape. 25%, and then transparent. So it's in the upper corner, so 0, 0. It's got a certain width, 120 pixels maybe? That's not right. How about 130, 40, 50, 150? And then it needs to be taller than 100%. No, it needs to be shorter than 100%. About 80 pixels. 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100, 120, 30, 40, 50. 150, 150. Okay. So now we need to shift the at value to be what? At 40 pixels, maybe? How about 50, 50, 50? So that's a start, almost. I think the width here is wrong. 140, 50, 60, 50, 55. Interesting. Okay, so slightly too wide. I think what that means is that this narrow bit is not actually, so this width and this width are different. That's what this is telling me. So it looked like a regular thing. So from here, what is 20? Here is like 70. So 50. And then here is 170. And this is 230. So 60. So this is 50 wide and this is 60 wide. That's the problem. So can we make that work? I think the answer is no. I think what that means is no, 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 no. It's not going to work. So the conic gradient that I imagined would be simple is not. Okay, so we got to nuke that entirely. So what next? What do we do? I think we're going to have similar mathematical problems if we continue down that road. But if we follow the, okay, so here's how we're going to do this. We're going to set this to be a little bit different. So it's 75% of transparent and then be the beige. Okay, and this is 75. Okay. All right. And then I'm going to move it over. Ha, ha, ha. Okay, so that's with this background position X. So 10, 50, 50, 50. And then we make it wider. 100. Yeah, there it is. So that gets that. And then if I set a width, 200 pixels, can I make that work? I don't know. There it is. Okay. So this is the approach that might work for us. Now, if I set a height, 200 pixels, 100. There we go. Okay, so a little bit different than what I thought it was initially, but that's okay. We're in the ballpark, as they say. All right, so that's that one. Then what? I think it's another. We do another kind of gradient that's very, very similar. This one is less tall. We need a comma between. We need to move. We need to have it be at 0x and then push it down. How about 60 pixels? Or how about 50 pixels? Great. And this at value needs to be 30. Oh no, 25. 25. Width, I'm going to keep it 100% for now and then make it a different height. 50 pixels, 50, 60, 70, 80. So we're in the ballpark. Not quite there, but close. 155. Okay, how about 160? 145? Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, and then I don't want, oh, I've lost track of myself, haven't I? Yep, I'm doing the wrong number. Oh, here we go. So this is the treachery of trying to keep these all in my head. Oh, that's interesting. There we go, 75. Okay. So that at value needs to be a little bit different. The height is currently 75. Let's make it 80. Oh, 75. Are those different heights? They can't be, can they? Yeah, they can be. That is a surprise. If I do red, so what is that telling me? All right, so I set that like that, and I'm going to push it down. I'm just do the bottom one first. 0, 100 pixels, 100, 20, 30, 25. Oh, and I ruined those. This is the one I messed up. Okay, there we go. So that's the problem. In my haste, I messed that one up. So let's fix that. And then give this a width of 200 pixels, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60. And then give this a height of 40 pixels, 50, 60, 70, 80. There we go. I think we got, oh, no. So again, I think we have the same problem. This is 75. There it is, 75. Okay. Oh. um, again, so one of the things that if you watch these videos, normally I would set a no repeat on these things to make it easier to see, and I haven't done that. That's a bad practice. I think I'm a little tired. So let's finish this out with a linear gradient at 90 degrees with just all the color stops, not even bothering. Okay, not even bothering too much with. There we go, 50, and then comma. Okay. And set that to be So we've got transparent there. Yeah, let's not even bother. We're not going to bother. We've got 5 color stops. Let's do them all. Why not? Three, 10. Great. 2, great. 5, 6. All right. That's enough of this. Goodness gracious. I am tired. Not my best video. 11 minutes. I believe that's 100% match. We'll stop here. Minified unit replace. Not my best showing. I will probably think of much better ways to do this, but again, you can't win them all. I mean, I got to 100%, so that's a win, and it was certainly fun. But forgot some of the vital things. Could take your time, right? When creating gradients that you're going to repeat and you're creating widths and heights on them, set no repeat. So you can just see one at a time. And I did not do that at all. And then went too fast. All right. That's it. Hope you're doing well. Take care of yourself. Take care of each other. Go make a webpage. I'll see you around. Bye.